Atlanta News First starts now.
First at 4, more courtroom drama over the meaning of YSL. Is it a gang or record label? I'm Sean Gables.
And I'm Blair Miller. To prove their case, prosecutors are calling a veteran gang investigator back to the stand. Atlanta News First, Rachel Aragon was in the courtroom. Rachel, this is not the first time we have heard from this Atlanta police detective.
Yeah, we've heard from Detective Mark Belknap before. If you guys recall, he was the very first witness prosecutors called to the stand in this historic trial. Well, today he took the stand once again, though his face was not shown on camera. As a reminder, again, he works for the Atlanta Police Department's gang unit and has already testified in this trial as a court-designated gang expert. Well, today he said he's been investigating gangs in Atlanta for over a decade. Defense attorneys argue YSL, though, is not a gang, but simply the name of a record label, Young Stoner Life. Today, prosecutors making the case to the jurors that Jeffrey Williams, aka Young Thug, and his co-defendants, they say, are members of the alleged criminal street gang, while defense attorneys say there is no proof of that.
In your experience, is it common for rappers that are affiliated with gangs to shout out their gangs in their song or in their music?
It is. For the requirements of joining a traditional gang, those don't exist for YSL, correct?
So no, we haven't seen the traditional gang methodologies that were asked here as far as joining YSL now.
And defense attorneys also say that Jeffrey Williams, aka Young Thug, and his other co-defendants, they say, are not responsible behind the violent acts listed in that original indictment. Later on this week, we're expecting to hear more from law enforcement on the stand. We're live in downtown Atlanta. Rachel Aragon, Atlanta News First.
Atlanta News First remains dedicated to covering this trial for you until it ends. We are streaming the court proceedings on Atlanta News First Plus. You can watch it on Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, and YouTube.